What up, YouTube gang? Welcome back. As you can see in the background, in the title of the description, you see I got a new toy right there. Yep, I bought myself a new toy over the weekend, and I like to introduce this 1986 Cutlass 442 to the channel. So yeah, let's hop right into this video. Bam. All right, man. I've been seeing this car on Facebook Market for a minute, and the guy hit me up. I had a car for sale. He had this for sale, and we did our thing. We made it happen. So I came home with this right here, 1986 Cutlass with twin turbos. Yes, twin turbos, Holly EFI, the whole 9 yards. This thing is, I can work with it. It's nice. I can work with it. Oh yeah, it came with the nice all gold 24-inch Forgiatos. Got a little something right there, but I ain't minding that. That's all right. Other than that, car perfect. Squatting down real nice. Nice clean interior. I can't wait to play with this car. Has a digital dash in there. Let me see if I got the key. Let's see. Oh, it's the keys. Okay, I got the key right here. Clean interior. 442 right there. Also came with the original GM key, which you don't hardly see no more. All right. Digital dash in now. Let's see what she crank up. Crank up real good. Run real good. It don't have the 8.5 in it. Put a G-body 9 in. Got that back there. So yeah, this is the new car coming to the channel. I'll be racing this car this year. Alright, let me cut it off so y'all can hear me. Alright, let me go ahead and show y'all what y'all came to see. It ain't all that. Somebody did a little turbo work on it, but I'm gonna clean it up real good. The car got good potentials. Look at the front of the car. The car got good potentials. So, yeah, nice car. Look real close. You see the intake got like some little fade from these little cheap intakes. They fade out quick with the heat, so it's probably a black powder coat, and the powder coat don't fade it off. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go. I like the titanium. I mean, not titanium, the stainless steel look. So I'm gonna leave that alone. So that's probably stay that color, and then the downpipe to match it, and of course this right here match it, and that can stay like that. But I do want some fresh paint on the valve covers. I want to kind of match the valve covers up with the intake. So I want to go 442 gold on both of them, Get rid of this right here. This is coolant tank that need to go. Either put a new one on it or take that out. But most cars I deal with, they ain't gonna be running hot, so I probably not gonna need that. Take this off right here, the windshield wiper thing. Take that off, and I noticed that the fuel pressure sensor not hooked up. Oil pressure sensor not hooked up, and another sensor not hooked up. Coolant temp sensor is over with. It's just done. It's not hooked up. So he stated that the car need tuning. And once I seen all that, I said that's probably a part of it. But you heard it run, so that's pretty good. It run real good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pressure wash it, and I'm gonna take this front pulley setup off too. I don't like it. I just don't like it. It's not gonna come off right now. Main focus is just to get the car running good. I'm going to order a quick performance rear end for this car, 9-inch G body 9-inch, and probably go right now. I got a 350 with a no trans brake, no nothing, just a 350, and I'm gonna go with a 400 with a trans brake, and we definitely got to get rid of this shifter right here. That gotta go. But other than that, it's a good little project car I picked up. Good little project car. So stay tuned. This is the project. What will be? You'll be seeing this on the channel. Yes, you will. You'll be seeing this on the channel. Yep. Nice little car. Nice little car. I'll probably go with the Holly Dash. Got the 3-inch screen right there. Came with. I'm gonna go with the Holly Dash and now 12-inch Holly Dash. So yeah, it's the new. Oh, I also got the T's. Yeah, it does have a front mount intercooler in there. You can kind of see it a little bit. Let it focus down and out. Man, let me stop moving. There you go. There you go. Focus, iPhone, focus. So yeah, it got a front mount intercooler. Only thing I can see this car in have, but I can add that through the Holly, is a boost controller. So I can turn it up, turn it down. But meanwhile, I can just go off this car here. I probably just go off spring pressure. So I got plenty of springs that I can just change out, and 10 pound, 5 pound, 15 pound, 20 pound, whatever I want to put the car on. 9 times out of 10, I probably put the car on 15 pounds of boost, depending on. But yeah, it's a good little car right here. Real good little car to the fleet. I welcome this to the fleet. Yes, sir. So yeah, next thing I'll be doing is just cleaning up under the hood and focus on getting it running right. It runs good, but I got to get those sensors hooked up and see where we at then. And that's about it, man. That is about it. That's about it. I like the interior. Super clean interior. Trunk, just a regular G by the trunk. You don't need to open that up. But yeah, 442. Probably be my daily drive. I can't wait to put that 9-inch rear end in there with a 350 gear. Yes, sir. That's gonna be the move. Got a little G body buckle right there. Thing must have been making some power or something. Got a little G body buckle right there. Little something, little something. Okay, little something right there. He said it pulling good. Like I say, I ain't drove. I put it up on the car haul and brought it on home. Yep. So we're gonna get it right. So in the meantime, y'all like, subscribe, comment, and share. Till then, peace.